Before we start the demo, please note that Action Watch, Tick Query, and Dynamic One-Click Filter tools have now been clubbed into one. That means these three will now appear in one setting window or result window. With the new tool, you will now be able to customize, save your settings, and open the result window at only one click. What's more, you can view as many as 3 result windows at a time. Let us see how the dynamic one-click filter works. Go to the Tool ribbon menu to click the dynamic one-click filter icon. New settings window will open. Before we go any further, we would like to remind you that from now on, you will see the setting function for Action Watch, Tick Query, and Dynamic One-Click Filter in one window. If you are interested in only Action Watch or Tick Query, you may click on Action Watch or Tick Query and the relevant setting window will open, hiding all the other options. So let's click the Dynamic One-Click Filter. Say you are interested in Action Watch. Select the Action Watch condition and take the high of the day and low of the day conditions, in the same way you used to do it in the earlier version of TradeTiger. If you want to apply the Action Watch conditions to all the securities of all the exchanges, just click the Apply to All button. Having done that, if you click on the other exchanges, you will notice that the conditions have been applied to these automatically. Let's move to the other setting functions. With the Dynamic One-Click Filter tool, you can set the Tick Query condition as earlier. Say you want to run the Tick Query condition in the Dynamic One-Click Filter with the following condition, that is, LTQ is greater than or equal to 2000 and value is greater than or equal to 5 lakh. Just fill in the figures in the relevant boxes. Now, whenever stocks satisfy the condition LTQ is equal to 2000 shares and value is equal to or more than 5 lakh, the result window will be updated. In Tick Query, you will find one more advanced option to help you build your own conditions. First, click the checkbox. Next, click the Build button and then type the name of the condition you wish to build. For example, you could build the condition to open stocks with price greater than the previous day's high and quantity traded greater than 35,000 shares. Click OK. Whenever you wish to run this condition, just select it from the combo box. Settings for Dynamic One-Click Filter. Many conditions are built in the Dynamic One-Click Filter. For example, price gain by 3% will display stocks that have gained by 3% each. Price loss by 3% will display stocks that have lost 3% each. Stocks making new high or low. Volume higher than the average volume of the last 1 or 2 weeks. Stocks making 52-week high or low. Stocks hitting the upper or lower circuit. Stocks that are trending. You can even set some special conditions for futures and options. For example, you have been provided a condition related to rise or fall in open interest in the derivatives market. Choose whichever condition meets your need, name the condition and click the Save and Run button to save your settings for use in future. The result window of the dynamic one-click filter comes with a filter, and you can view the output by exchange-wise or index-wise. You can view output by action name, and you can filter result by action price. If the user wants, he can view result only for subscribed scripts. Example, result for only Market Watch scripts. You can even minimize the filter bar. You can clear the data too if you feel the window is getting too crowded. What's more, you can even close the dynamic one-click filter result window and reload it by just clicking the icon and selecting the condition you want. You can open chart by double-clicking on the script name.